Hi and hello dear Taurus! Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan, returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. Kung hindi niyo pa subscribe pa tayong other channel, link is down below. Sa description box ng reading na to, so if interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para mapunta kayo there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. By the way, kung may cross-watcher si Taurus, welcome ka rin, or may Taurus placements sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. Just take only what resonates. Wala rin tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin i-switch yung mga roles dahil general reading ito and at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will at malaya ninyong gamitin yan. Okay? If you want to claim the messages or not. So, Archangel Michael, Angel Guides, thank you so much for always being present sa reading ni Taurus. Can we get messages for them, please? What does Taurus needs to know? Mga mensahe para kay Taurus, please. Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, let's see your messages. You do have here the energies of the moon. I just heard something in your eyes. We have here the death, another major arcana. Oh, the sun. What's going on? Baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Definitely, there's this new beginning right in here, and this is something here that you do not know. The universe is giving you this big event right in here now that's about to happen in your life. Wow! Alam mo sa lahat ng bridge, ito yung Shala-Shalang Bridge. Oh. I'm seeing two castles right in here acting as the bridge. Excuse me. So you could be meeting here someone, mga babes, no? A wealthy woman, a wealthy man right in here na muli ritong magbubukas, no? At bubuhay, hindi lang rito sa katawang lupa ninyo mga babes, no? Kundi pati sa inyo ritong puso. And there's a lot of happiness with the sun right in here, no? And it looks like, no? It is written in the stars, the moon and the sun is the biggest sign na ito ay nakasulat, no? Okay? Sa isang prophecy, nakatakda talagang mangyari in your life and it's about to happen. Ayoko na talaga. Hindi ko talaga ito kinakaya with the chariot card right in here. It's coming! Divine coming, no, divine timing is coming. No, I do pick up right here. Divine timing is now. Wow, 4 major arcanas right in here. Nakuha natin here for you guys. We have here the Empress. What's happening? You are getting a lot of major arcanas right in here. You will definitely yayaman dito, sweetheart, not because of your partner, but because of your hard work right in here. And you're gonna meet right here, no, the perfect match of your energy. I do see this person right here, siya, yung magdadala ng added color sa life mo, no? Perfect match nyo, just like you. Very successful individual. This person right here, I'm seeing him or her owning a magarang car, no? And maybe this person right here, no, hindi malabong may driver siya, no? Nakikita natin dito, someone na mayaman right in here. What's happening now? You have the Hierophant energy. You're getting married, Taurus. Oh. Kaya pa ba, guys? I love it. Bottom of the deck, we have here the Knight of Swords definitely coming. These are two fastest energies right in here. The Knight of Swords coming in. No, someone that will definitely hindi siya shy type na mag-express ng emotions and feelings for you. And this person right here is bringing the higher level of commitment. So this person right here no, is someone na hindi lang casual playing or hindi lang summer playing, no, kundi isang klase ng commitment, no, a lifetime commitment right here. And we have here this Ten of Wands, okay? I do see that your burden right here is about to be released from your shoulder. I do pick up, no, something that will end, no, na nagpapabigat rito ng iyo ritong situation. And now we've got the Lovers, the one you're destined with. Look at that, we have here the universe center ng inyong souls. Yeah, pagtatagpuin kayo nitong person na 'to, no, this is talking about here your destiny, your life is aligning right here, no, at pagpasok niyo sunod-sunod na 'yan. Ang trabaho, ang buhos ng pera, ang abundance, you are the empress right in here, no, love is not your priority, but love will definitely caught you off guard right in here. See, nakatalikod ka dito, so you will be surprised, no? Someone here will offer you someone who's younger than you, someone who's very expressive sa kanyang emotions and feelings, someone who's not afraid, na gagawin dito ang lahat-lahat for you, someone dito na nakikita ko dito na tutulong dito sa mga problema mo na ayusin niya, no? I'm seeing this person here is coming, divine timing, ito na yon, and I do see na ito talaga ay nakasulat na talaga, no, sa prophecy right here, no, prophecy mo, sa stars mo, naka-align dito, nakita ko dito, this is definitely a new beginning with the death energy. Death here means rebirth with the sun. No, I do see, nabubuo ka ng family with this person right in here. You're gonna bear a child with the sun card energy. And kapag itong bata na ito or ito rito magiging anak ninyo ay nandiyan na, no, your love for each other ay mas lalong mas um, mag-grow, no, and you will be having a very beautiful family together with this person right here, and this will last a lifetime, no. Alam mo, hindi ko nakikita rito, okay, na masasaktan ka dito sa next chapter ng life mo. Ibang level 'to. Level up talaga, Taurus, 'no? Nakakaloka. Level up talaga ito. Ayan, 'no? So, nakita ko dito yung energy, 'no, that the universe is protecting. This is also protection with the Knight of Swords energy, with this lots of major arcanas, no? Okay? The moon, the death, the sun, the chariot, the empress, the hierophant, the lovers. You have seven major arcanas, and seven is the spiritual number. Okay, that your manifestations, no, you are on the right track, no, hindi ka lumalampas sa mga manifestations mo, all of your dreams, they're all gonna come true right in here, no, at bumibilis na mga pangyayari, no, corner to corner ito, two of the fastest cards in the tarot, okay, two of the fastest energies, no, ang nakikita natin dito, no? So, I do pick up that yung iba sa inyo nararamdaman yun na ito, na parang ano ba yun? Parang iba yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, pero parang hindi ko ma-explain. Yeah, that's it, no? Dahil yun na yun, okay? You're about to step into this new chapter right in here. This chapter is parang hindi ko na nakikita yung dating ikaw, no? But still nakikita ko that you will remain humble, you will remain very loving, very caring, no? You will remain your feet on the ground. Yun ang nakikita natin dito. You are power couple with this person right in here, no? And with the moon, ang ganda. Kasi surprise itong darating sa life mo, no? This is the part wherein, see, dito palang pinakita na sa atin yung dalawang castle, no? Yeah, definitely like a fairy tale love story. Your life will be like a king and queen right in here, no? And you're gonna have a business together. Plus, you have works as well, no? Okay? I do pick up that you and this person right here, mabubuhay kayo rito, no? Nang hindi lang full of love. Okay? Lahat pa ng kailangan ninyo andito din. Wow, 'no? So, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo, So, yung anak kanina, no, is, meaning nun for you guys, no, for my LGBTQs out there, no, ang meaning nung child, okay, para sa inyo, okay, possible na yung iba mag-adapt talaga kayo ng literal na child, no, at, akuin ninyong inyo yun. And yung iba naman, 'no, pinaka-high chance, 'no, na mataas na frequency ang child dito means yung parang energy, 'no, na alam mo yung parang nalinis lahat ng mga hindi magagandang experiences ninyo sa love, yung mga past lovers ninyong inabandon na kayo, 'no, parang babalik doon sa pagkakataon, 'no, na mararamdaman mo yung love talaga. Yung love na puwede mong panghawakan, yakapin, 'no, yung love na kaya talagang manindigan for you, and that's what you're gonna have in this new chapter, in this rebirth, in this new beginning for you guys. Okay? And yeah, nakikita din natin dito, no, that your burdens right in here, no, ay mawawala, no. There's people na padala ni universe na sila yung lalapit rito na, oh, ay, nab eto na yung kailangan mo. Eh, 'di pa kita mini-message siya kasi nga okay na, 'yan 'no. So whatever that case may be, the people right here 'no, will keep coming to you and sila na yung sumusolusyon dito, padala sila ni universe dito 'no, and wala ka ng gagawin dito mga babes 'no, kundi mag-pray at magpasalamat. Thank you, Lord, for all of these blessings. I do not expect to receive this kind of huge blessings. Thank you so much. Yan, no? So I do see you. Taurus, you will be the queen at nakakaloka 'no, ang face reveal medyo blurred pa dito, pero mukhang gusto ni universe na ikaw ang unang makakita nun 'no. Nakikita ko parating na siya, binanggit na dito lahat ng mga katangian at ugali niya 'no, at nakikita ko rito yung magiging reaksyon mo 'pag nakita mo siya, okey. Magugulat ka and then I'm seeing you blushing right here. Yan, na may feeling ng kilig. So, ibig sabihin, parang may clue na rin tayo. Taray, face reveal coming up. I do see that this really is for you, Taurus. Claim this because I'm seeing that you will literally experience yung talagang nai-experience ng isang tunay na reyna at hari. So yeah, claim, 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 claim this messages right here. Taurus, thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on me, Sarang Hale, Love and Light. And you.